Every sheet of paper begins deep inside the forest.
Crane operator, swing left, easy now. Roger that, swinging left.
Here, raw wood enters the world of modern paper manufacturing. The transformation from tree to fiber begins. Controlled feeding ensures the perfect pulp mixture.
Inside these pressure vessels, wood fibers begin to separate.
Heat and chemistry unlock the cellulose hidden in wood. Cooked pulp is suddenly released in a surge of steam. Massive washers cleanse the fibers for the next stage. Only pure fibers move forward into production. The fibers are concentrated into a powerful slurry. Stored pulp feeds the continuous paper production line. The raw fiber now enters the machine that will form paper. Gravity and motion begin shaping the first paper web. Industrial vacuums remove the majority of water. Fibers begin bonding into a continuous sheet. Massive rollers squeeze out the remaining moisture. Each press strengthens the forming paper sheet. Steam-heated cylinders drive out the final moisture. Heat transforms fragile pulp into durable paper. Calendar rollers refine the texture of the paper. A continuous river of paper now flows through the factory. Advanced sensors inspect every millimeter in real time. Behind the machines, digital systems guide production. Microscopic adjustments keep the sheet uniform.
Sensors track every drop of moisture.
Controlled chemistry enhances paper strength.
Automated blades carve the sheet to perfect width.
Even the smallest scraps are recycled. Automation keeps the machines perfectly aligned. Artificial intelligence drives efficiency. Thousands of moving parts work in perfect harmony. Kilometers of paper wind into massive reels. Automation replaces reels without stopping production.
Each master roll holds kilometers of paper. Human expertise guides the industrial process.
The head box spreads fibers into an even flowing sheet.
Every roll must pass the human eye of inspection.
Safety systems guard every moment of production.
Continuous maintenance keeps the machines alive.
Coordination ensures perfect industrial timing.
Every meter of paper is digitally tracked. Gigantic rolls travel through the factory sky. Massive reels are divided into usable formats.
Each roll receives its unique identity. Production continues without pause. The finished product waits for its final stage.
Speed defines modern paper production. Machines organize paper with flawless precision.
Precision alignment prepares the paper for packaging.
Automation counts every single sheet.
Each bundle is sealed for protection.
Brand identity marks the finished product.
Heat sealing secures the bundles.
Robots handle packaging with tireless accuracy.
The product is secured for shipping.
Automation prepares shipments at scale. The factory flows into a logistics network. Heavy machines move the finished product.
The paper prepares to leave the factory.
Distribution begins its global journey. From forest to factory, the journey continues toward the world.
The final leg of the journey begins.
Grab the next flat of paper.
All right, this cart is full, heading to aisle 3 now.
Wow, look at those colors. Are you drawing a house?
Yes, and this is the chimney.
Paper becomes the foundation of knowledge. Entire industries rely on this humble material.
Paper preserves records of modern civilization.
Here you go, heavy one.
Thanks. Just toss it on the left side.
The cycle of paper begins again in the forest.
Across the oceans, an invisible network connects every continent. The modern world moves not by roads, but by sea.
At any moment, thousands of ships are crossing the oceans, each one carrying pieces of the global economy.
Some routes are so busy they resemble highways at sea. The Singapore Strait is one of the busiest shipping lanes on Earth. Modern container ships are floating cities of steel, capable of carrying more than 20,000 containers in a single voyage.
After weeks at sea, these giants arrive at ports where speed and precision determine the rhythm of global trade. The port of Shanghai handles more cargo than any other port on Earth. Every day, millions of goods pass through its docks. Gigantic cranes unload containers with mechanical precision, each movement part of a perfectly timed logistical dance.
From here, containers begin new journeys by rail and road, spreading across cities, countries, and entire continents.
A single container may travel thousands of miles after leaving the port, linking factories, warehouses, and stores.
For the crew, life at sea means weeks or months away from land, guiding these massive vessels across the world's oceans.
The ocean can be unforgiving. Storms remind sailors that even the largest ships must respect the power of the sea. Advanced navigation systems guide ships across thousands of miles, but the final decisions still belong to experienced captains. Keeping these giants moving requires enormous amounts of fuel, delivered through specialized refueling operations.
Shipping powers the global economy, but it also raises questions about fuel, emissions, and the future of sustainable trade.
Hispanic female engineers are designing the next generation of ships, cleaner, smarter, and more efficient.
Automation is transforming ports into high-tech logistics hubs, where machines move cargo with incredible speed. Day or night, the flow of global trade never stops. From electronics to food, countless everyday items have traveled across oceans before reaching our hands.
The oceans have become the highways of globalization, carrying the cargo that sustains modern life. Across vast oceans, these ships quietly keep the world moving. Their journeys never truly end.